Hey, so are there any apps like Jungle Scout similar to Jungle Scout or Jungle Scout alternative Jungle Scout competitors? Yeah, I'm going to share two of them in this video that are somewhat similar apps to Jungle Scout. The first one is called Helium 10. You have the best discounts, free trial, and the best tutorials for Helium 10 in the description. It's an app or software or tool that also is similar to Jungle Scout, helps you with product research, keyword research, listing optimization, and a bunch of other things that Jungle Scout usually does. Helium 10 also does it. And the second option is called ZonGuru, also sort of all-in-one suite of tools for Amazon sellers, similar to Jungle Scout. It's an app like Jungle Scout, you can say, software or tool. Also product research, keyword research, listing optimization, many different things. Also best discounts for ZonGuru and a free trial, and also tutorials are in the description. And to be honest, Helium 10 is like the most kind of all-in-one set of tools from all these three, although all of them are pretty good and legit. And also there are discounts for Jungle Scout itself. Maybe you were looking for Jungle Scout and the price was too much for you. Check out the discounts in the description. Maybe you'll be able to save big, and you actually will be able to save big with the discounts in the description. And all the educational resources are there for you as well. And have a great day. So apps like Jungle Scout, link in the description for you.